this is Papa Seth TV and for today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin is kung paano nga ba mag-open account kay Hello Money powered by Express Bank. Yan. So, paano nga ba mag-register kay Hello Money para doon natin i-transfer yung ipi-payout natin kay Facebook or YouTube, no? Syempre guys, bago ang lahat, intro muna tayo.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
So, nandito tayo sa Play Store natin and yun nga guys, is search lang natin si Hello Money. So, search natin Hello Money. Hello Money. So, magpa-pop up agad si Hello Money guys. Sa akin kasi guys is naka-install na siya. So, i-open na lang natin siya. So, open natin. Yan, loading na. And then, welcome to Hello Money. So, nakikita nyo guys sa taas, skip lang natin siya. So, ang gagawin natin guys is click natin yung open a new account, no? So, click natin tong kulay red na to. And then, continue lang natin. So, get ready, may nakalagay dito. Make sure you want have stable internet. Prepare your ID, valid ID capture. Prepare your video capture. Registration may take 10 minutes. You must be at least 18 years old. No? So, continue natin. So, click lang natin ito while using the app. Yan, allow. Allow lang natin. Yan nga guys. Are you a Filipino citizen? Siyempre yes. Lagay natin. So, note. Please make sure that your ID is still valid and not expired. If you are going to register an international mobile number, please select Philippines passport or OFW ID, no? So, okay natin. So, ang type ng ID natin guys, pipili lang tayo dito. Ang napili ko dito is etong PIN ID, no? So, tax identification number. So, click natin. And then, dito nga guys, i-add natin yung photo. Mag-add tayo ng photo dyan. So, click natin yung add photo. So, pipicture na natin. So, i-check nga lang natin to guys, no? So, yun nga. Tapos, yung back. Yung back naman yung ano natin, pipicturean. So, nga, i-check lang natin. And then, click next guys sa baba. So, nandito na guys yung first name. Siyempre, first name lalagay natin. Yung pangalan natin. Yung middle name. Yung last name. Suffix name. Or kung may ano kayo, the third, senior, or ano pa man. Or, tapos yung number nyo, mobile number. No, so, tapos yung email address. Yan, make sure guys na tama lahat ng information nyo. Tapos, set ng password tayo. Maglalagay tayo ng password. So, make sure guys na tama yung password nyo, no? So, dalawang ulit naman yan. Ipapaulit ni Hello Money. So, click next lang natin kapag tapos na. So, nakalagay dito dyan is check your message. May matatanggap daw na message, no? So, auto-fill code natin para maano siya. Yan na guys, natanggap na natin message. So, verify natin. Click natin tong verify. And then, yung email naman guys. Hindi yan. Yung email naman, no. So, pupunta tayo sa email. Tapos, titingnan natin yung verification code. Ini, Hello Money. So, copy lang natin. Punta tayo doon. Balik. Tapos dito, copy lang natin dito. Ipipaste lang natin. And then, i-verify ulit natin. So, dalawa pala to guys na magpapaano sa inyo yung OTP. Yung number nyo and then yung email address nyo. So, lagay natin. Tell us about yourself. Talagay natin yung birthday natin. Yan. Sundan nyo lang to guys, step by step, madali lang. So, click OK. Siyempre, gender natin, male. So, present. So, dapat lagay natin is, select natin. Hanapin natin yung address natin. San Jose. Yan, Kalalahan. Tapos yung ano natin, number no. Number ng bahay. Yan. Tapos yung zip code natin, 4423. So, done natin na. So, click lang natin yung done. Once na napilapan nyo na tong address nyo. So, click done. So, dito naman guys is ito, check lang natin tong ano. This is also a permanent address. So, click natin to. Yeah, ano. Tapos, source of income. Nakalagay dito is self-employed na tayo. Mother's maiden name. Lagay natin. Complete daw. Yan. So, lagay natin lang. Click next lang kapag nalagay na natin yung mother's maiden name. Yung, ano, nung dalaga pa yung mama nyo. Yung, ano, pangalan niya. Yung kompletong pangalan niya. So, click next. So, yung, ano, dito guys, is record a short video. So, lagay lang natin. Record lang natin. Nakalagay dito is, on the next screen, you will be asked to take a video of yourself. Start stating your name, birthday, and address. So, lagyan ito guys ha. You almost set but first ensure your face is clear on the video. So, dapat clear daw yung video, no? So, proceed natin. So, nakalagay dito guys is please state your name, birthday, and address while recording. So, name muna, birthday, address. So, yun na. So, start recording na tayo. So, once na natapos na guys yung recording nyo is continue na lang, no? So, nakalagay dito is recording finish. Continue lang natin. So, yun nga guys is wala tayong card. So, skip lang na natin to. So, optional naman siya. Convert your money, your ready money card now. So, optional siya. So pwede natin siyang balikan. So, skip lang natin to. Kasi wala pa tayong card, no? So, type to sign. Last step na to sign. Ano guys? Sign here. Tap to sign. So, lalagyan niya natin dito yung pirma natin, no? Yan. So, once na nakapirma na kayo, done nyo lang. And then, may siselect kayo dito, guys, no? So, nakalagay dito is how did you find about Hello Money? So, ang ilalagay ko lang guys is Facebook. So, I accept and agree with the term and conditions, policy, and data privacy consent form. So, click lang natin to, yung box, and then submit. Ayan. Please don't close the app loading ID back photo. So, loading na siya. So, antayin lang natin. So, ito na nga guys, no? So, ito yung reference number natin and nakalagay dito is thank you for applying. Your application has been submitted. You will receive an email within the next banking days to confirm the status of your application. So, click natin yung finish guys, no? Click finish lang. So, okay na nga guys yung open account natin kay Hello Money, no? So, pwede na kayong mag-login dyan. So, tandaan nyo lang yung PIN code nyo, yung number nyo, and email address nyo. So, yun lang guys. So, sana nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, and thank you for watching.